Hello, today's video topic is there any home remedies for piles? These are very frequent questions generally people ask because any bottom problem, piles, fissure, fistula is almost the same, and most of the people they hesitate to go to the doctor, or they want till there is a very severe pain, they will wait till that point. So this is the question they will ask: is there any remedies, home remedies for these bottom problems? Generally, you should remember the question is remedies. Remedies are different, treatment is different. So the remedies for an emergency or to buy some time till you see a doctor. So what is that? Usually the bottom problem, the piles, fistula, fissure, they have a pain or bleeding. This is the main issue. For this, generally we say only four things are really available. One is we call the Sitz bath. Sitz bath is nothing but you have a tray, you have a lukewarm water, and you have to sit on that. So this, what happens is a warm water. So suppose you have an injury, suppose you have a cut somewhere. So what we do, we have a hot water fermentation. The same principle. We cannot go and do a hot water fermentation. So either you buy a plastic tray or ready-made Western toilet, Indian toilet sits tubs are available. So you have a lukewarm water, sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So the pain will subside, that area, particular area, rectum will relax, so even the bleeding can stop. So this is a Sitz bath. Most of the people try putting antiseptics, Dettol or betadine, something like that, they will add that. But usually I don't recommend. The reason being, see, there is a bacteria in the body. They are all natural good bacteria. So that anal region, there is always a bacteria. You should not kill. You should not kill your bacteria. Your bacteria is good for you. So you should not kill the bacteria. They are very vital because post treatment or surgery, these bacteria play a major role. So don't kill with your Dettol or betadine or antiseptics. Just lukewarm water, 5 to 10 minutes. That's the best thing. If it doesn't subside or if the bleeding is stopping, better to see a doctor. 1. 2. Second is the same way, ice pack. So the lukewarm water relaxes that area. Ice pack, what is that? It will constrict that area. Everything will shrink. So even the pain substance cannot go because of the shrinkage. So the pain can subside. Even because of the shrinkage, the bleeding can stop. So this is again 5 to 10 minutes application. And if it doesn't subside, better to see a doctor, preferably a surgeon. Third, applying aloe vera gel. It's available commercially everywhere. Even fresh aloe vera, you can take the aloe vera gel and directly apply it, or you can freeze it in the freezer and apply it. Usually you can soothe that area, and of course the bleeding or pain can subside. Fourth one is baking soda. So it's available. You have a regular baking soda. It's handy, available at every home. So you can apply the baking soda. Either you can make it as a paste, or you can put it in the Sitz bath, or you can just directly apply this baking soda, preferably without aluminium. We say that can also reduce the pain and bleeding. So these are the readily available homemade remedies. Either you can do it alone or combination of all the things, also one plus one, or maybe all the four. But if it doesn't subside and if its bleeding is more, or you are not comfortable, then it's better to see a doctor, preferably a surgeon, and take a proper treatment. This is only a remedy, this is not a treatment. So these are the tips for home remedy for the piles or any bottom problem. Thank you.